Hey guys, Miss Fanning here. I know that several of you are having issues getting into Smart Music, so this should help. So you should be at this screen, and then once you put your code in, your code is in the text of your Google Classroom assignment. So you're going to put your email in here. And then your class code. And then click on Find Your Class, and then say Join this class. Then you have to fill all of this part out. So you have to put your country, you have to say that you're 13, you have to fill in all of this stuff. You don't have to put a backup email. You have to create your own password. You can't use your Fort Zumwalt PIN. For some reason, it doesn't like that. Designate which one's your primary instrument. You don't have to put a secondary instrument. Say that you've agreed to the terms and conditions. Unclick that because you don't want that stuff, and then click submit. From this point on, this email activation has been sent. That has been sent to me, and I have to go in and approve it. So it will take me just a little bit to do that. So once you've done this, you need to check back in the next hour or two and see if you can get into Smart Music. You will not be able to do it right away. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.